Hey, I don't know how many of you guys have ever gone and done these jobs. This is a 1549, and over there's a 2040. Go to remove your antenna, and it shears the threads on the post. I've had it happen too many times, so obviously enough, and if it hasn't become obvious to you, just undo the bolts and lay the mast over. And this way, you're less likely to have this thing break on you, because it has happened, and I've had to feed the wire through the firewall to replace it for a customer, and I got really good at that, and I started to do a video for that, but I'm like, wow, save someone a lot of trouble, and just undo these bolts and lay the thing over. Install your windshield and put it back.